Welcome to AKT's review of key enhancements in the SuccessFactors H1 2026 release. Let's take a look at the compensation and variable pay module. These are the version release enhancements. Let's dive in. Enhancement 1. Previously, only implementation consultants had this option through provisioning. It is now possible to download, edit, and upload modified XML directly in the system. This greatly facilitates any possible modifications at the XML level. For example, when defining rules for publishing values to Employee Central. Why it matters. The admin team can now make edits at the XML template level themselves, without the help of a certified consultant with access to provisioning. This can lead to greater efficiency and time savings. Expert tip. Initially, we would recommend granting this permission only to really experienced colleagues and keeping the original version as a backup before making any XML edits. Editing in XML can be very useful, but it can also lead to hard-to-identify errors. Enhancement 2. Not only employees, but also their direct managers can be informed regarding statements generation now. Once the statements are generated, the administrator can now simply send this information to line managers. Managers then have the option to view or download statements using previously used methods. And then communicate everything to your subordinates. Why it matters. Originally, there was no system option to inform managers that the cycle was complete, and statements were available for download and communication. Now it is simple and efficient. Expert tip. Before statements are generated, we recommend removing permission from employees and then reactivating it after the statements are communicated by the manager. Enhancement 3. Previously, when calculating basis calculation equations, we were limited to a simple calculation that was the same for all users on variable pay forms. But now, we can also use more complicated conditional calculations. We can use a different calculation. For example, for colleagues from different countries, departments, etc. This will allow us to achieve more accurate calculations across the company. Why it matters. This way, we can achieve a fairer and more accurate distribution of budget and rewards. Need help maximizing the latest SuccessFactors enhancements? Get in touch with our team